If you're seeing the ERR underscore HTTP2 underscore protocol underscore error in Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get the website loading again as quickly as possible. This issue can happen because of browser glitches, cached files, extensions, DNS problems, or even Chrome settings like QUIC. The good news is, most of the time you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, restart Google Chrome completely. Close every Chrome window and make sure the browser is fully shut down. Then open Chrome again and try loading the website one more time. Sometimes this error is only caused by a temporary browser connection problem, and a simple restart is all it takes to clear it. If the error is still there, the next step is to reload the website. You can press Ctrl+R for a normal refresh, or Ctrl+Shift+RR for a hard refresh. A hard refresh is especially useful because it forces Chrome to load the page without relying on old cached files. That can often solve page loading issues caused by outdated data. Now let's clear Chrome's cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes for browser protocol errors. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open the clear browsing data window. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Once those options are selected, click Delete Data. If corrupted cache or cookies are causing the HTTP2 issue, clearing them can immediately fix the problem. Next, disable your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially VPN tools, ad blockers, and security extensions, can interfere with HTTP2 connections and stop websites from loading properly. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. From there, turn off the extensions one by one, especially any that affect network traffic or privacy. After disabling them, try reloading the site again. If you still see the error, update Google Chrome. Click the three dots again, go to Help, and then open About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Older versions of Chrome may contain bugs or compatibility issues that can trigger HTTP2 errors, so keeping the browser updated is always a smart move. Now let's refresh your DNS cache. Press Windows+S, search for command prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears old DNS records and forces your computer to pull fresh network information. If the error is related to a bad DNS cache entry, this step can help restore access to the website. The final fix is to disable the QUIC protocol in Chrome. Type Chrome://flags into the address bar and press Enter. In the search box, type QUIC. Look for experimental QT protocol and change it to disabled. Then click Relaunch so Chrome restarts with the new setting. QGT can sometimes conflict with HTTP2 connections, and turning it off may resolve the protocol error right away. After you've gone through these steps, try visiting the website again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the ERR underscore HTTP2 underscore protocol underscore error and get Chrome working normally again. If the problem is still happening after all of this, it may be worth checking your internet connection, trying another browser, or testing the site on a different network. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick and practical tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.